What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We have something coming in from Traditional Pocket Knives right here. Have everything cut open and everything like that. Let's get that out of there because it's got some information on it. We'll get the stickers out though. Okie doke. Alright, so as you know, I don't know if you saw the video, and I have a video out on this guy right here. This is the Divo Lush. This is my favorite Divo knife so far. I have the red carbon fiber, which I'm actually getting rid of. I'm going to be selling that, so be on the lookout for that, because I'll probably post it on here first. So if you wanted to pick one up, you could pick that one up. I love this thing. This is one of my favorite Divo. This is my favorite Divo knife, and one of my favorite knives in general, just because the multiple ways you can open it up. I like that. I think that's why it's such a winner in my book. But this was bought a week ago, and then I had to have this probably a little over a week. Excuse me, a little over a week. But then I just had to buy the Divo Nip Lite, also from Traditional Pocket Knives. So let's get all the goodies out. All right, this is just a piece of paper. I don't think we need that. So you get a cloth. You got 3 of these things now. I like them. They work well. You can just put your stuff on them. I guess use it as a washcloth. Use it as a washcloth. Go clean your dishes. I don't care what you do with it. I think they're cool. I like them. They're good for wiping stuff down too. They're very soft, very nice. I can't get the stickers up. Good Lord. All right. So let's put this away because this is my third one. I actually really like these. I think it's cool they have these. It's a nice little touch. But let's get to the knife. Wait, hold on. Check these stickers out. So we got the Divo Knives sticker. We got a couple Divo Nip Lites, which is what this is. This is the Nip Lite. This is the budget version, which I never got the premium one. I'm sad to say, but that's all right though. This one's gonna do. And I don't know if you know what one I got yet. Traditional Pocket Knives only had one, and it is the Ultem. Now I'm not big on the. It's growing on me. The Ultem is growing on me. It really is. It's growing on me, and that's why I kind of decided to get it. So you have a cloth in here too, like a little, some kind of little cloth. Okay, not bad. So they definitely hooked me up, I feel like. You got this cloth, you got the big blue one, you got stickers. That's not bad. Not bad. I like them. But yeah, this is like the Ultem, like I said. It's been growing on me. With certain knives, it can look great. Some knives, it can look a little ugh. But I thought this one looked pretty good, and I actually do really like the way it looks. I just like the smooth Ultem. The smooth P Ultem, I think is what they call it. I try not to cuss, you know. So it's smooth piss, excuse me. The smooth piss Ultem. Um, that's it, baby. That's nice. That's actually really nice. It flicks open really well. And it's a small knife. And it doesn't work real well with the thumb flick. I also This is all. I guess this is odd to tell you guys this, but I've been doing a lot of mudding lately, like drywall and mudding, and my hand is like stiff. Like it feels like it's. I don't know. I feel like it's like double in size. I don't know why it's not really, but I feel like my hands are really fat right now, and they just kind of hurt. So I can't really even use my thumb. My thumb feels weird to actually close this. I don't know why. So we'll try to get through this video as quickly as possible. It's very nice though. I really like this. It has like, oh, I liked how they did that too. They put a little sticky thing right there. Not a sticky thing, but like a little plastic thing right there so the pocket clip don't tear your scales up. Just in case you want to put it on the other side, you know what I mean? Safety, you know, saving your scales a little bit. Super cool. Let's go take that out. We don't need that right now. Get out of there. Maybe. Easier said than done, maybe. Maybe not. We got it. Feels good in hand. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It feels good. I like this. Obviously, right here, it's a little small. Right there, it's free floating right there. That little pinky is. But when you choke up with that finger trolls out, this thing feels like almost like a full knife with a very small blade. It's a full knife with a very small blade. But yeah, It feels good. It's got a little bit of jimping right there where the rear flipper tab is. So you can also get a little bit of texture right there, a little jimping. And what I like about Divo is their knives. They're starting to come out with the jimping out here a little farther. I know the Growler has jimping all the way out. This one has it. The Lush has jimping like right here. You have jimping right here, and then you can go way out here if you want when you choke up. I like that. I think that's playing it smart. You know what? If you don't want it, you don't have to use it right there. You know what I mean? But if you want the jimping, it's there. It's nice. I like it, especially if you're choking up because it's kind of a must-have right here, just because you're gonna choke up on this knife and you're really gonna put your thumb right there on that jimping. You're gonna want to. Just get a close-up for you. Kind of nice little belt satin blade. This thing's kind of cool. I like it. I can't wait to carry this thing. I like the scales. They look good. I'm not gonna lie, they look pretty good. I'm like I said, I'm not the biggest Ultem fan, but like they also traditional pocket knives. They also did a pink one. I have videos of that too. It's just I haven't posted them yet because I've had a couple of them. Crap, it looks just as great. Like it looks just like this. It's that smooth Ultem, and it looks good. I don't know why they know how to do it over there. I guess. I like the texturing right there. Kind of nice. They got jimping. Oh yeah, they got texturing all around. So you're definitely not gonna have too many problems slipping, which is probably also why they did it because it's smooth, obviously right through here. So that's probably why they added that extra jimping on the side of the texturing just to make sure you don't lose. Obviously, your hand doesn't slip or stuff like that. Another reason why this is budget is it's 154 cm. I think the other one was like S90V or something like that. Let me show you there. Nope, you can't see it right there. You can. I don't know. I want to say S90V. That was, I think, 175 or $200. This was, when it all was said and done, I think I paid like $95 because I used the 10% off, which got it down to 90. But then if you don't spend the $100, it's you gotta pay for shipping and handling. That's what it was, shipping and handling. So super cool though, not bad, especially under $100. I think this is a steal, and I'm gonna carry it. I'm gonna let y'all know. Because this thing is pretty freaking cool. I really like the DK right there. Divo knives. It actually looks really good. They did a great job on this. I love how they put that little screw right there just in case. Because I've seen some companies, like they leave stuff out like that and it just looks goofy if you don't like fill it in. Got a nice little backspacer too. With a lanyard hole right there. I think what would look dope is if they did like black hardware, black blade, everything like that. I think with the Ultem, I think that would look really freaking cool. I wish they'd do that too. Actually, I'd probably get another one. I have that's a lie. I would get another one because I think that would be just so dope. But super cool knife. I really dig this. I'll get the final review out there. I'll get you all the deets and everything like that. But this thing is phenomenal. I'm telling you, like ergonomically wise, it feels good. Especially for that price point. Like this is probably a bang. This is a banging fifth pocket carry, I guess. $100 for a fifth pocket carry, yeah, like it's a little expensive, but it's not bad because this thing's cool, and I'm excited to carry this. I'm gonna let you all know though down the final review. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave it down in the comment section. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.